Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic for gardeners. What are the benefits of using mulch in the garden? Mulching is a practice beloved by many gardeners, but why is it so beneficial? Let's unpack this. Firstly, what exactly is mulch? Mulch can be any material, organic or inorganic, that is spread over the surface of the soil as a covering. It's used for various reasons, which we'll explore in detail. A primary benefit of mulching is moisture retention. Mulch acts like a protective barrier over the soil, reducing evaporation and helping the soil retain precious moisture. This means you'll need to water your plants less often, which is especially beneficial during hot or dry periods. Moreover, mulch plays a crucial role in weed suppression. By covering the soil, it prevents weed seeds from receiving the sunlight they need to germinate. This means less weeding for the gardener, which is always a welcome benefit. Temperature regulation is another key advantage. Mulch insulates the soil, keeping it cooler in summer and warmer in winter. This stable environment can encourage healthier plant growth and can be particularly helpful for tender plants or during extreme weather conditions. Mulching also contributes to soil health. If you're using organic mulch, such as wood chips, straw, or grass clippings, it will gradually break down and add nutrients to the soil. This decomposition process encourages beneficial microbial activity and improves soil structure, which can lead to better plant health and growth. In terms of aesthetics, mulch can give garden beds a tidy, unified look. It can complement the garden's design and make colors pop. From cocoa hulls to pebbles, the variety of mulch materials available means there's an option to suit any garden style. Lastly, mulch can help prevent soil erosion caused by wind and water. By covering the soil, it shields it from direct impact during rainstorms and reduces the speed of water runoff, helping to keep the soil in place. In conclusion, the benefits of using mulch in the garden are extensive, from saving water and suppressing weeds to improving soil health and enhancing the garden's appearance. Whether you're a veteran or a novice gardener, incorporating mulching into your garden management practices can lead to healthier plants and a more vibrant garden. Thank you for watching. Embracing practices like mulching can elevate your gardening game, contributing to both the beauty and sustainability of your garden. Remember, a little effort in selecting and applying the right mulch can yield big rewards down the road. Happy gardening!